Hello, I'm Maria Cristina Rinaudi, chef of the Le Torri restaurant in Castiglione Falletto. Today I'm going to present some traditional recipes from the Langhe region of Piedmont. This is a recipe for chocolate Bunet, which is a traditional Piemontese dessert pudding. Here are the ingredients: 8 eggs, macaroons, 300 grams of granulated sugar, 50 grams of bitter chocolate, some hazelnut paste from the Langhe region, a spoonful of powdered coffee, and a glass of barolo wine. Okay, let's start preparing 12 servings of pudding by heating the milk in a pan. Together with the macaroons. While the milk is heating with the macaroons, let's break our eggs into a bowl. Add the sugar and stir. Slowly we'll add the bitter chocolate, and the barolo wine, continuing to stir well. Now we can add the powdered coffee, and the hazelnut paste. Stir continuously, but without beating the eggs. After 3 or 4 minutes, the milk is hot, and the macaroons will begin to dissolve. We'll slowly add it to our egg, chocolate, and sugar mixture. Keep on mixing all of the ingredients until the pudding is uniform. Our Bunet is now ready for the oven. In these little bowls, I prepared some caramel by heating granulated sugar directly over a flame. Now that it's hard, we can begin to ladle our pudding in. And we'll put them in a vapor oven or else in a double boiler inside the oven. The temperature is very low because the egg mustn't cook, but must simply warm for about 45 minutes. Our Bunet is done. Take the tray out of the oven and let it cool. Place the Bunet on a serving dish. Grate a bit of bitter chocolate. And garnish it with a leaf of fresh mint. For an extra touch, let's add some caramel on top. Wave the spatula back and forth to create caramel strings. Carefully take the skein and fold it like this to create a ball of caramel. Let's use the caramel ball as decoration, which is just a little idea for making our pudding more original. Buon appetito!